Iraq, Iran, Syria, no Kurdistan.
Bakur, Bashur, Rojava to Rojava. There you go.
I'm West Coast. I'm from Izmir. Okay, I'm from Aydın. So my
Northern Kurdistan.
that's fucking bullshit.
هر بيجي كردو كردستان. هر بيجي كردو كردستان تو خويري برا دي بمالوا. هر بيجي كردو كردستان. Look. نموتلو كردين ديانا.
You need to check your passport again.
Yes.
You need to check your history and your geography. Kurdistan regional government.
They don't have government.
They do. There's a president, prime minister. Yeah.
Because there is a blood of babies at that flag.
Which babies?
The babies in Mosul, the babies in Syria.
In Mosul?
The babies in...
That was Daesh Bram. That was not Kurd.
No.
All right, hello. What's your name?
Haley,
Paul.
And where are you from?
Turkey, but also I'm here too.
Okay.
Boston.
Okay. Oh, so you're not even Turkish?
No.
Why, you're repping the shirt because of her?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I grew up somewhere. I'm not going to give it away. I grew up somewhere else in the world. I'm going to show you a flag and you have to guess where it is.
Okay.
You can have 3 total guesses, all right? Have you ever seen this flag?
Azerbaijan.
No.
Wait a second. Oh,
You've seen it
Macedonia. Macedonia.
No, but it's kinda...
Macaristan.
No. It's Kurdistan. Have you ever heard of Kurdistan?
There is no Kurdistan. There is no country as a Kurdistan.
But it's the flag.
They have a flag, but it doesn't mean they have a land.
I grew up in Kurdistan.
Okay, you can even produce your own flag. It doesn't mean you have your own land.
Whoa, Paul, how do you feel about this?
Whatever she says.
She said I grew up in nowhere.
The U.S. will take you.
Thank you.
So I just really want to say, like, Kurds.
But you've never seen this flag before?
I don't count as a flag. You know what I mean?
Oh.
So, but we are living together with Kurds, Turks, all the civilizations all together. Doesn't matter which flag. Doesn't matter which gender, which generation, where they are coming from, which country they are coming from, which religion they are from. You know, we are all together. That's make it Turks.
So you are familiar with Kurds?
I am familiar.
Most people
with
aren't.
Kurds.
When we play this game, we always get a bunch of people not knowing.
No, like Kurd, it's not a nation. I mean, they don't have land.
They have a semi-autonomous nation, which is the federal government, which is why this flag is a legal flag.
Okay, legal is, what is for?
The KRG.
KRG, what is KRG?
Kurdistan regional government.
They don't have government.
They do. There's a president, prime minister. Yeah. You can look it up after. I promise.
Okay.
I grew up there. I have a Kurdish visa and everything.
I'm from Turkey. So they are living with us, but they don't have land.
Yeah, but where I grew up, it's called Bashuri Kurdistan. It's Kurdistan. And there's Kurdish visas, Kurdish military, Kurdish government.
1970. Do you know what happened? Iraq was a war, so you guys come to us, so we guys save you guys. We are. Turks people save you guys. You know that?
I didn't know that.
So you need to search history very well.
All right, I'll search for that. You search for the KRG, and now we'll know.
KRG is for us nothing because seriously, they don't have a land. You know, they don't have government. They don't
have a
have
government.
anything. Okay, where?
You can. I mean, it's.
Where is in the map? Show me the world map.
Do you have a? You can pull it up on Google Maps.
They have a map. Literally, they have a real legal map.
Yes, you can actually look it up on Google Maps. If you type in Kurdistan, it'll show you.
Show me. Okay. What is the city? Center city.
Howler. Howler. Because they have a government.
Okay, Iraq has a government too.
Paul's just laughing. What is your take on this?
I just want to get to the casino. That's all I really.
I feel bad. I feel we haven't let you talk either.
That's fine.
Gamble, that's it.
Okay, well now you know. Now you know that Kurdistan actually has a government.
There's no Kurdistan.
I thought we
getting around. We're
I
gonna
have
go.
friends.
No, you're
I
right.
have
You're right.
Kurd.
You're right.
I have Kurd, Gurji, Kazakh, all kind of different religion.
Yeah.
I have, and also from the land all over the world. I traveled 21 countries in my life. So,
Nice.
thank you. To be clear,
Yeah.
there is no Kurdistan. Okay.
I disagree because I lived there. Right, but that's okay.
You live there?
Yeah, I did. I grew up there 7 years.
You are from Iraq.
That's not what my passport said. Passport says Bakher Bebo KRG Kurdistan Regional Government. That's what it says. And it's a visa and a border. And I wasn't allowed to go to Baghdad. Like, it's different places. I'm not saying it's its own.
Why
I agree with you.
They don't want you guys.
Now, what I will say is, you're 100% right.
We very open our arms, you know, welcoming
Right.
as usual, like Armenian people too.
You think that they're welcoming to Kurds?
we are welcoming to Kurds. You guys have citizenship to us. You guys have house. You guys have work. You guys have your farmers. You guys do everything because we are letting you guys to do it. You know, that's who is making as a Turk. Turk is always hospitality, warm heart. You know, welcoming always. Doesn't matter who you are. We always want to live peace. That's why we never trying to. We are avoiding the war. You know, we don't want to get into war. If we get into war, you know what's going to be reason. What's going to be final. So.
Okay, well, thank you for your time. I appreciate that. I'm glad that you at least have heard of Kurds. That's good. That's part of. I make Kurdish videos. That's all my.
All together. Come on.
There you
know,
go.
I'm West Coast. I'm from Izmir. Okay. I'm from Aydın. So my.
Northern Kurdistan.
That's
God.
fucking
Oh,
bullshit.
yeah,
I
really appreciate that one.
West Coast. Izmir.
Well, I'm sorry, I had to.
I know.
You know how we kick out from the Greek people, so we can do same thing if you guys push us more. You know what I'm saying?
I'm American, but I do hear what you're saying.
I'm
yes.
American too. I have two siblings.
Harabaji.
Sorry, I drink too much.
Let's go.
Paul, get to the casino, man.
Oh, please.
Very
Thank you
nice
very
to
much.
meet you. What was your name again?
Haley.
Ellie?
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you.
My pleasure.
Google Kurdistan.
Google Izmir.
I'll
and
Google it.
as
Harabaji Kurdistan. I always say it.
Ne
Look,
mutlu Türk'üm diyene.
ne mutlu Kurdim diyene. We can spin it right back.
Ne mutlu Türk'üm diyene.
Yeah, yeah.
Türk'üm diyene. Hey, here.
Here, we can both. And we'll see who
Like,
gets
we
more
are
views.
sister brother, doesn't matter, you know, like we don't want war, we live together with peace. You know, other things fucking bullshit.
There's, well, yeah, that's true. There's
I
still
have
some
so
work to
many
do.
friends, Kurds, Turks, we are living together all the time, you know, whatever they say, you say
Except when they-
Kurdistan,
Except when they arrest 12-year-old boys for showing this flag. That's not peace. Wow. All right, cut. You get
What
3
is the
guesses.
prize? What is the prize?
The prize is a high five, okay?
Peşinden high five yapalım biz gidelim.
High five is, I think you're smart.
He says let's do our high five now and we leave.
No, no. Have you ever seen this flag?
Bayrak yapacağım coşkun.
Do you know it? What's your guess? It's 21 Sun.
It looks like trash.
Who?
Trash.
I've never heard of that.
I never heard this too. Like this is completely trash.
Tidesh?
Yeah.
What?
Like a bullshit.
Oh, trash.
Yeah, yeah.
Why do you think it's trash?
Because
You've seen it before?
I never seen.
You've never seen
It's
it?
bullshit.
What? You've never seen it?
Bullshit. It's just bullshit.
It's the Kurdistan flag.
Where is the Kurdistan?
I grew up there
Where?
in Slemani, Kurdistan.
No Kürdistan.
Where is the
Türkiye.
Kurdistan? Can you show me on map?
Yeah.
Okay, let me
The
show.
KRG, Kurdistan Regional Government.
Show me at map.
Pull up Google Maps, Google Maps. I'll show it to you, I'll show it to you.
Show me,
Turkey.
show me, show me.
Ready?
Where is
Type in Kurdistan.
Kürdistan no.
You don't think it
No
is?
Kürdistan.
it? Like there is in Iran, there is in
İran,
Iraq.
Irak.
but
No
not in-
Kürdistan.
Right here. That's the capital. There it is.
Iraq Kurdistani government.
It's a government, yeah, semi-autonomous nation.
No Kürdistan.
It's a semi-autonomous nation called Kurdistan. I didn't know you've never heard of it.
But
Iraq,
this is not
Iran.
there. Like.
Irak, İran, Suriye, no Kürdistan.
Bakur, Bashur, Rojalat, Rojava. That's what I say.
I'm originally from Kirkuk.
Kirkuk?
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
Kurdistan.
I'm originally from Kirkuk.
That's Kurdistan.
No,
No,
it's
Kurdistan.
Turkish. I'm Shapizm.
Kirkuk is Turkish?
I'm Shapizm from Kirkuk, and it's the land of the Turks.
So you're a
Kurds,
Kurd.
Arabs all together.
So you're Kurdish.
But this is bullshit. what you are
Harabaji,
doing.
you're Kurdish,
Like, I
bro.
know the whole story. I'm the Harabaji. Like I'm not a traitor, and I know what this guy trying to do here. But like
Who's
I'm
he?
from this land.
What do you mean?
I'm
What's he
from
doing? He's
Kirkuk.
holding a light.
But I know. Like we all know what's going on.
No,
here.
I'm American. I'm
You
American,
are
USA.
American, it's
But I grew
obvious.
up in Kurdistan.
It's obvious.
No, Kurdistan.
My roots coming from that region.
So you know.
I know everything. And
But you still say no.
I'm Turk. I'm Kurd.
But why
Las, Kürt,
And
Türkiye.
this flag is bullshit.
why do you say that?
Because it's bullshit. Like
don't
when
like
you
it?
see a
Is
shed,
it the color,
when you see
the
a
shape?
shed, because there is a blood of babies at that flag.
Really?
Yeah.
Which babies?
The babies in Kirkuk, the babies in Mosul, the babies in Syria,
In Mosul.
the babies in...
That was Daesh, Bram. That was not Kurds.
No, they were there too. They were there too. This terror organization and this terror
Baba, the Kurds
organization
defeated Daesh.
recognized they defeat Daesh.
Sat Lasat, you can ask Donald Trump himself, he'll tell you. The Turks, you know what? The Turks work with Daesh. You're from Kirkuk. Okay, nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. Merhaba, gule gule. Teşekkürler.
And find the good guys. Don't hang out with traitors, okay?
Kura her birji Kurdu Kurdistan to khweri barra de bo malwa. All right, ready? You get 3 combined guesses. So use your guesses good. Oh wait, first where are you guys from? I forgot what city.
Turkey, Antalya.
Okay.
Riverside, California, but Ankara.
Got it.
Riverside, but Ankara. From
Okay.
Ankara.
Same. Is everybody?
Yeah,
Are y'all all related?
yeah.
And where are you from in Norway?
Bergen, Norway.
Okay. I've never been to Norway before. I have been to Istanbul like 2 or 3 times actually. It was nice. It was nice.
Bergen at all, but it's okay. We can accept that.
Have you ever seen this flag before? What's your guess?
Egypt in Egypt.
Not Egypt.
No.
No Egypt. What do you think? Not Lebanese. No, that's the tree one, you know? Yes.
Can I get a hint?
Oh,
Like,
a
like
hint.
the first letter.
K.
Kazakhstan.
No, but it is a K and a stan.
Kyrgyzstan.
Kyrgyzstan.
What did you say?
Kyrgyzstan.
No, but super. It almost sounded like it.
Kurdistan.
Yes, you got it. It's the Kurdistan flag.
Yeah.
I grew up.
Kurdistan.
Kurdistan.
Kurdistan.
There is no country like Kurdistan.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, we don't
No?
have a country, no.
I grew up there.
This is not the
No, that's not.
No.
My passport says Kurdistan.
No, there's no passport such says.
I'm not from. I mean, my passport stamp says Kurdistan.
It does not say so. It does not say so.
It does, yeah.
I'm sorry,
My
it does
visa.
not say so. It
I
does not say-
promise you, it does.
Hadi gidelim.
Excuse me, it's not recognized as geographically country. Sorry, apologies. You need to check your passport again.
Yes.
Sorry, guys.
You need to check your history and your geography. Oh, she's running away. Oh, okay.
You see this Turkish flag?
You can take that on the plane back home with you, right? Her bir şey Kurdistan. La Kurdistan atırsın ne zanım bu? Am ağla derhenim, ağlay piroza, ağlay hicwana. Yoksa atırsın onu. Kurdistan. Ama şu an ya. Pasaportu kırık halata. Ne, khuyerri. O Kurdistana. Be akıl. Where are you from?
Turkey. Turkey, Istanbul.
What? Istanbul?
Yeah. Turkey, Istanbul, yeah.
Okay, I've actually been to Istanbul like 3 times. Yeah. It's really nice. I enjoyed it. Do what?
Why did you visit the Istanbul? That or
Neither.
Let me check.
I was a little kid.
Okay, you already
No, I got a BBL. No, just tourism, visiting. I grew up somewhere else. I'm not going to tell you where. I grew up somewhere else. Lived there for 7 years. All right, ready?
Yeah.
You get 3 tries, 3 guesses.
3 guesses.
Have you ever seen this flag before?
We don't want to continue, I think so.
What?
I know my flag is finished. Stop, okay?
Okay, what's your name?
Yusuf.
And where are you from, Yusuf?
I am from Turkey, Istanbul.
Okay, Istanbul.
Yeah.
I've been to Istanbul 3 times.
Yeah, really?
The Grand Bazaar, Hagia Sophia. I know
Did you
it.
like it?
I loved it. It's a very nice city.
It's the nice city all over the world.
Number 1?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. It's definitely a good city. I grew up somewhere. I'm not going to tell you where. And a lot of people don't know it. But I'm thinking you maybe know it because it's Middle East area. Okay, I'll give you that hint. Ready? I'm going to show you the flag. You get 3 guesses. Have you ever seen this flag?
I don't know.
You don't know this flag?
Yeah, I don't know.
You've never seen it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Do you have any guesses?
No.
No guesses?
Yeah, no guess.
I grew up there.
I don't know.
It's the Kurdistan flag.
There is no Kurdistan in all over the world, as I know.
I grew up there.
Huh?
I grew up in Kurdistan.
No. There is no country. Sorry.
You don't think so? Her bir şey Kurdistan. Khor racisti. Vallahi nazane. Yeah, USA.
Hell yeah, بيجي كردستان.
Kurdish man hena oku bodyguard wa wara kak brusk. Ama Kurdi bakura.
كاكا سورة هر بيجي.
اوكو bodyguard هات اگر تربون هرگنا. او پیاش نویس قسبکا یکسر کاتک کوتم ام آلا چیا زانی و اوی کردستان بو وایا
Yeah.
بلام بودی اوه نه نزام چیا وتم نه ناسی وتم نه ناسم وتم ای کردستان وتی
أو بداية.
كنا فوق سناكا خويري
هر روز دبنا social media هر روز دبنا I'm sure he always seen it
That's so true.
100%. If you say I don't know
He can tell me anything, but you can look on my passport, you can look on my iqama, you can look on everything. It's Kurdistan.
yeah, he's like running from the say yeah, hey, it's a Kurdistan flag, but I don't accept or something like that. He don't even like want to talk about it. You see,
Uneducated.
what kind of racism is it?
Nimulu Kurdum diyene.
Biji Kurdi Kurdistan, ne mutlu Kürdüm diyene, her bir şey.
Flag, guess it.
Italy. Oh,
No, not Italy.
I didn't see the sun.
I feel like he's. It's not Iran, but it is close.
Wait, no, there's a sun.
Not Paraguay. It's close to Iran, Middle East.
Sun is Yemen.
No. Do you not know what the flag of Israel looks like?
Kyrgyzstan.
Not Yemen. What'd you say?
Kyrgyzstan.
Kazakhstan?
You're all over it though, but it's like
Kazakhstan.
it's almost the same. Stan.
Pakistan?
Yes, it's with a K. Just like you said, but change the G.
Kazakhstan.
Change the G.
Kazakhstan.
No. No. What?
Kurdistan.
Kurdistan. Yes. Have you ever heard of Kurdistan?
I've never heard of that country in my life.
Kyrgyzstan is another country.
That's where you're
Yes.
from? That's where you're from.
Hey, you guys want to see something entertaining? Watch me do it to these guys. They're gonna be so racist. Just watch. I swear to God. Hey, do you guys want to play Guess the Flag? I'm gonna show you a flag. You have to guess what it is.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. What city are you from?
Istanbul.
Oh, I've been to Istanbul 3 times. All right, here we go. Have you ever seen this flag before? He's out.
Abi yok ola.
No. I heard what he said. I promise it's not that. I promise you it's not that.
It's not Kurdistan.
It's Kurdistan, yes.
There's no such a country as a Kurdistan.
I grew up there for 7 years.
Such a country, man. There's
It's a
Turkey, Iran, and Syria. That's it.
It's a semi-autonomous nation in northern Iraq.
But it's not official country though.
It's an official government.
No.
It is, yeah.
No, bro.
1991.
No. You're mistaken, brother. There's no. Okay, show me on your phone.
I don't.
Show
Well,
me.
my phone is over there.
Okay.
But you can look it up. Do you have Google Maps?
Yes, I do.
Pull it up. Pull it up. I promise you. It's not a fully. Now I understand what you're saying. It's not a fully independent nation. I understand that. It's semi-autonomous.
It's not even an official state, bro. Hold on, man. Because as I said, we're from Turkey, so we're very familiar with the area. So where is it exactly?
Type in Kurdistan. It'll show you exactly the area.
Okay, since you grew up, show me the area.
See that line? That line right there is the semi-autonomous nation of Kurdistan.
Okay,
The
but
KRG.
it's Iraq though.
But it's different visas. I'm not like trolling
Maybe
you.
you're right, buddy, but as far as the official side, we haven't heard it, so.
Now you know.
Okay.
Now you know.
All right.
Thank you guys.
Thanks.
هر بژی کورد و کوردستان هەموو کات باشە هاوریانی خۆشویست نازانم بۆ ئەوان لە ئاڵای کوردستانە ترسن و دوای ئەوە بۆ تووڕەبوون و ڕیسیست و ئەو شتانە بوو بەڵام هیوادارم کە تۆزێک فێر بوون دەربارەی کوردستان من هەوڵم یا بە شێوەیەکی ئاشتی و عەقڵی قسە بکەم لەگەڵ ئەوان بۆ ئەوەی فێر ببن دەربارەی کوردستان و توانم بزانن کە ئەو کوردستان لەکوێیە کوردستان شوێن نییە نەبابە کوردستان شوێنە ئەمەش ئاڵای پیرۆزی کوردستانە منیش هەموو کاتەڵێم هەر بژی کورد هەر بژی کوردستان ئێمە گوێ لە کەس ناگرین تەنها کوردستان هەر بژی و ئەتان بیمەوە لە ڤیدیۆی داهاتوو